Unfortunately and fortunately, as times have progressed and researchers have kind of delved into what does that look like, we've discovered that not everything you see in those numbers is what's actually happening on the ground.
Mm,
And that's where my lived experience comes into things. We're seeing metrics that were incentivized,
mm,
particularly injury and incident frequency rates, and then seeing the cover-ups that are happening. And I physically were part of a number of cover-ups, injuries being glued together, incidents that I didn't take to operational managers because we didn't want our metrics to be, impacted. We didn't want our uniforms to have to be de-embroidered. We didn't want the billboard out the front of the building to have to change.
mm,
But we also didn't want to lose contracts. So a lot of, I don't know what it's like in the States, but in Australia, if you're a construction company and you're tendering for a project, you have to give your total recordable injury frequency rate or your total recordable or your recordable incident rate, for example, your TRIR or TRIFR in Australia, to the companies that you're tendering for, those projects you want to win, as if it says how safe you're going to be. And, we can think of a number of different historical events, industrial disasters across history that show us that, yes, even though they had a really fantastic rating, they still killed people. And we know that the research coming out of the Construction Safety Research Alliance, there's a number of different articles now that are pointing at, what kills us isn't the same as what injures us.